Hello guys, Tokyo Boy here. Today I'm gonna do a short period FoodPanda delivery job with Fiido 60 watt 2200 watt motors. It's a 60 watt Fiidos, modified Fiidos. Okay, now I got my first job kit in. Okay, let's do it. Today is a cloudy day. Hope it's not raining in my working period. Oh shit, I think rain drops a bit, but hopefully not getting worse. First order is from the LA. Whoa.676啊，So you got fatty tire, banana seat, very comfortable seat. And fatty tire would brings more comfortable when riding. 60 watt and 200 watt motor system is a very good combine. Even it's just a 2200 watt motors, but it can reach the top speed around 60 with 60 watt 21 mAh battery. If you ride slow around 25 to 35 speed, the total mileage you can go is around 40, 50, I think 50 something, no problems. If you ride fast, 20, 30 km also no problems. It's a very good combination. And with zoom hydraulic brakes, it's more than enough to stop your scooters. Shit man, little rain coming. Hopefully can finish my first delivery, and maybe it's the one and only delivery. After that I gonna go home because rain is coming. It's matched my titles, short distance, one orders for the delivery jobs. Okay. Okay, double check okay, sit. Okay, finally pick up my order. Okay, so I prepare. Okay, check it out. Okay. Hello 啊，我是FoodPanda啊，你是在 PB16 上 啊，这样我差不多，我现在过去差不多3分钟到5分钟里面会到咯，你现在可以下来了。PV16对面哪里哦？它的对面那些外面那边啊 ，bus stop 那边啊。啊，好，这样我差不多3分钟这样左右到了。OK， 好，谢谢，来。thank you. Dia cas 1 kali kalau lambat 60 km lah. Oh. Oke, jalan dulu lah. EV16, now go to delivery my first orders at EV16. Waiting at here, but I don't know where are he. Okay, right, just waiting here. À, 我到了，在 Uncle Bob 那边。好，来。哦。啊，对。那我拿过来。川 Vince 啊。啊，对。OK， 好， 谢谢你啊 ，Thank you。OK。Delivery my first orders. Let's see, still have drop scheme or not. Drop off. Drop. Right. No pending deliveries. So let's ride around. Is the BS waiting place. So one job's delivery. Don't know how long will we wait, but still gonna to be waiting. Oh, lots of food. Waiting around 15 minutes, still no job in, and seems like the rain is coming, so maybe I end. my duty for today. Alright, let's go back. Hello guys, same like usual, I'm Tokyo Boy. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to support my videos. Wow, really, the rain's coming. Coming. Oh, so many motorbike. How can I take inside? Okay. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and I see you on my next video. Bye.